Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to jump higher in Valorant. So basically, guys, there is multiple ways of actually jumping higher in Valorant. Some of them is by using agents, like for example, we can say Jet. Jet is a champion that actually allows you to jump higher in the game. Also, you can find Raze, and you can find some other champions that will make you jump like Omen, or not jump, but specifically they can like go to higher places, and some other champion like whatever, like for example, some Euros tricks and Sage. Now, let's go ahead and show you how you can actually jump higher without using any agent, so without using even the abilities. Well, how we can do that? Let me just go ahead and click and join, for example, a standard gameplay, and here I will make the allow sheet on and close, and then I will click on start. Well, basically, guys, let me just pick an agent real quick, and I will start talking about the jumps and the different kind of jumps in rounds. Basically, the only jump that we all know is clicking on space to reach the highest places that we can get to. But actually, in Valorant, there is multiple ways of jumping. There is space, there is space and crouching, and there is space, crouching, and remove the crouching. So let me demonstrate something. Let me just make sheet on. Let me give infinite credits. And here we are. Now let me just buy some abilities. And here we go. So if I came here and I try to jump over here, because I'm playing Jet, I will be able to do that. But as a normal champion, I will not be able. So if I try to jump, I will fall down. But there is actually, guys, a way to actually achieve this place, which is by actually making jump crouch. So jump crouch is actually really useful in the game. So let me just do it without something. So now without any jump, I couldn't do it. But if I did jump and I crouched, I will be able to do that. So yeah, guys, this is the first thing that you should know in Valorant. The second thing, which is a map in Valorant. So let me just quit this and let me just join another map. Well, this map has a box, which is, I think, the split map. Let me just check. Yep, it is the split map. So let me just join it real quick. And basically, guys, there is a spot that you can actually jump into, which normally you will not have even the idea of jumping into it. So let me just show you the spot real quick. And basically, this spot is the box which is in the middle of the map. So let me just see over here. Yeah, in this place over here, there is a box on the right normally, and this box you can actually jump at the top of it. So let me just show you real quick how you can do it without any abilities. So here we go. And now basically what I'm going to do is give myself infinite magazine, and then I will buy my abilities again and go over there. So let me just go. Alright, so let me just go the ghost mode. So I think something like that. Here we go. Okay, here I am. Now, in order to actually jump here, there is multiple ways. So you can just stand here and then you can, for example, do that. But unfortunately, guys, so if I did try to jump from here, as you can see, you will not be able to jump it. So basically, in normal champions, like for example, Omen, in Omen, if you stand over here, so in that place exactly, and if you try to like jump at the top of this box, you will actually jump at the top of it. How you can do it? Jump, and in the middle of the air, crouch. So like that, crouch, and then when you hit the box, directly stop crouching. So it will be something like jump, crouch. So jump, crouch, then remove your hand from the crouch button. So these are the three different kind of jumps in Valorant, and of course there is the abilities Valorant. So like for me, for Jet, for example, you can see I can jump the highest that I can even be at the top of this row, for example. And basically there is a bunch of glitches with Jet that you can use in order to like have highest jumps. Let me just check if I can get some. So something like that. Let me just check if I can get infinite abilities. All right, let me just turn this on and let me check if the spot is actually still available. So let me just go here. Well, basically there were like three places in the old split map. There was a place over here where you can stand, but it got removed. There is this place also which is over here, and I think it's no, it has been removed unfortunately. And there was a place I think at the top of this place. Yep, here you could actually stand, but they removed the edges from here. So basically, they try to make a lot of fixes in the map to stop this glitch, this jump glitches of Jet. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below, and thank you guys for watching.